Yeah, how you going? I just want to talk quickly about using our inspection manager. It's day one and we're sort of just setting it out, so we've got a few, this is video one learnings, but it's a basic introduction. So what we've got here is the inspection manager, which we can follow through a link, and in there, and then we've got our tag SBM, which is more so where we're sitting right now, and we're going to have our different training videos. And then we've got our actual customers. So in our customers, we've got a series of different buildings for this particular one, who's got a series of different cranes as well. So what we're going to do is build out this micro site and populate it up into a structure which has got the customer name, then the parent page, and then sub pages. So you'll have a parent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Name these, and then sub pages, which has got these. From there, we'll be populating what this crane is as a story and images and what have you. So we've got a library around that particular crane. When we come to service it the next time, we'll be doing further reports online. So that's the way that we're going there. In the tag members area, that's for a visual illustration perspective. Okay, then we also have our management system. Just make sure I'm getting this right. Our tag ERP management system, for which you'll be able to go into and have a look at all the same equipment and more specific. So this will be holding the actual reporting as well. Okay, so there's a bit of double entry at the moment, but this is a bit of a description as the hub of what's going on, and we'll be linking all of the standard reports back into the system or back into the web pages that we're talking about. So one's for a visual library and one's for a data library. Okay, so that's the methodology there. As we come back into this and we're doing just the initial setup, you know, I've got my virtual assistant going to help me to create that sub-site, build all these. During the course of the day, I'll be sort of consolidating all the images as we go through. I'll be identifying the crane number or description, and we'll be populating that during the course of today. As I come through here, I'll now have a reference from here to here on which one I actually want to be able to service. So if there's an issue for my new employee coming, then I'll have a training video associated to that particular item. So that gives me consistency, gives me reliability, and it gives me some stability to implement this whole system. What it's doing for me is it's allowing me to do the field service a lot quicker. It's allowing me to reduce my management costs in a quite substantial way, and it's giving me a structured environment to tighten everything up. Now if we go back over to inspections for the moment. So here I've got my standard routine inspection online. We've got our different questions that we'll go through, but I've also got my bullet points. Okay, now my bullet points I'll be able to read off my tablet or my phone as I go through, and I'll be able to just have a look at the service, understanding what I'm looking at, and then I'll be able to quote a reference number, 3.3, we need to check, 3.1A or B, and I'll be able to say that there's an issue there. So when we come back into our inspection management system, we'll be able to come into here, we'll be able to follow the same process, and we'll be able to actually fill in the same issue. So a bit of a double entry from a reporting point of view, but what the intention is to visually start to show what's going on in images as well. So we'll have a library of images. The report will arrive. These will be the link so we can tell the story. Please review your online report. Okay, so that's how we've trying to set it up. Thanks very much for your time. Bye.